Hello people, so today we will talk about Google Sheet application, and I will like to show you the way how you can arrange your data based on the first letter of the sentence that you have from the each cells. So you already have the documents here. I have a lot of names. I have a lot of names here, and then I will like to arrange them based on the first letter that I have. And how to do that, you just need to block this data. So you just need to go click one of cells and drag it into the down part, make sure that everything is there, and then just need to go with this three small dot on the top right corner and go click create a filter, and there will be a filter right down here. And then you just need to, oh, I think I missed it, so you just need to go click from the name of interviewee and then block it into the down side. And now you just need to go click these three small dots and create a filter. And the next thing you need to do is just go click this side. And if you want to arrange this data from A to Z, you just need to go click this part. Let's just see the difference. You can see now it's random for the first letter, and I would like to make the A alphabet stay on the top side. So you just need to go click it. So all of the alphabet is already arranged perfectly on this table. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again in 2 other tutorials.